Hi everybody, today I'm going to address a common issue in Squarespace you might face where image effects might seem to disappear. Don't worry, the effects are still there, but a certain setting needs to be enabled. For this demonstration I'll be using Google Chrome, but at the end of the video you'll see how I do this in other popular browsers as well. First, let's go to your Chrome settings. Left-click on the three vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner, then scroll down and left-click on Settings. In the search box, type Graphics and make sure the Use Graphics Acceleration When Available option is turned off. That will tell you that this was definitely the problem. Now all you need to do is turn it on. Then you'll have to left-click on the Relaunch button, and that will relaunch Google Chrome and all the tabs you have up. Now, if you're one of those people that have 80 tabs in your Google Chrome, maybe they won't all reload, and this is a good time to let you know that's a terrible habit to have. I would definitely stop doing that. Once that's done, it's going to relaunch your Google Chrome. It should remember all of your tabs, so don't worry about that. Now, let's go back to Squarespace. I'm going to left-click on Edit, then Edit Section, Background, and finally Image Effects. As you can see, all the effects are now available. This same setting can cause problems in other applications like Netflix or Canva, and I've done videos on those as well. So you might need to toggle it on and off depending on what you're doing. It can be a bit frustrating, but hopefully this quick fix will help. Like I've said, I've included instructions for other browsers at the end of the video, so feel free to pause and follow along. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support means a lot and helps me create more useful content. Thanks for watching and have a great week.